Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to edit WhatsApp sent messages within 15 minutes. So to update a text on your iPhone or Android device, look for the message you want to fix inside your active chat. Keep in mind that you have a strict 15-minute countdown window from the exact millisecond you hit send. Long press directly on that specific message bubble. Now, if you are on Android, you can look up the top right corner, tap the three vertical dots menu icon, and then select Edit. Let me show you this screenshot. There you go. So this is on iPhone, as you can see. Use a long press, you'll have this context menu pop up, press Edit, and now you're ready to be changing your already sent message. Right guys, and your original text will drop right back into your keyboard input field name, and your original text then will be sent to your keyboard once again, and then you can change it. You can just fix your typos, swap your words, and tap the blue checkmark button to push the updated version live. And now you can keep your chat history looking flawless without leaving a trail of broken delete banners behind you. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.